Hey guys, welcome back to Ace in 10th. Today's video, as you know, we are going to be looking into the toppers answer sheet, which can be really helpful for you guys to see which section you're supposed to attempt first and how did he present the paper. And I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks as well so that you can score really good marks. So first step, we're having 15 minutes of reading time. So in this 15 minutes, what I want you to do is I want you to go for 20 questions, that is the MCQs. Just go for a glance look, and then you can mark it in your question paper with a slight dot. Let's say this is the question paper. You can just mark it with a slight dot with your pencil very lightly. So then if this total 39 questions, in that 20 are going to be, it's going to be MCQs. So the remaining 19 is our target. In this 19 there'll be section B, section C and section D, and then section E as well, because this is science. So in this, what we will do, in this we are having section A, section B and section C and section D. Section D is 12 marks, 12 marks, and it will be 3 questions, and this is the case based questions. So this, in this 12 3 questions, 18, 17, 16, so 16 questions will be there from A, B and C. So it will be 16 questions in A, B and C. Let's start. So first step, he started with section A, and then he went with section B, then he went with section C, and then section D. So he did it in an order way. Now he started with he or she started with section A, and then he got all correct, all 7 questions in the first page, and then 16 questions. He did it in an order, and then he left a place. Make sure you draw a line just in case it looks neat, but do it at the end of the paper. And then section B, he did a highlight, and then he highlighted the important points: reduction, oxidation, oxidized, reduced. So he wrote like this big paragraph, 1 2, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 lines on an average, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 9 times 7, that's going to become, on an average, let's say 72 words. He wrote 72 words for a section B, which looks good. It's pretty good. But if you guys don't have time, we can just write small and then come back to it, and you can just leave a page, leave like few lines, and then continue the next question over here, so that you can come back and then you can review your answer. Then he made a nice box for the differentiation between moment of leaves of sensitive plant and movement of a shoot towards light. It's tropic movement and nastic movement, which is correct. He did it in three points, because we know this is 3 marks. So right, next he make sure you guys draw a line so it looks neat, right? And then highlight the important points as well. And this is 3 marks, and this was 3 marks. I think he received the whole marks. And then this part, diagram, make sure you do it with pencil only, guys, don't do with pen. And then yes, next he did this also, the diagram, just to make it a little more nicer and cleaner. So now next we are having section C. He did section C over here. Make sure you guys write this over here so that it looks big and neat. Alright, now next we are having section. Oh yeah, he did this diagram in pencil. I don't know if this is in pencil or pen, but it does look neat, so it's amazing. Next he did the same thing. He look how he struck the answer. He just did like this. He didn't actually do the scribbling, so that's a good thing which you guys can also do. Just do a nice one line, and that's good. Next we are having, let's go to the eye diagrams. This is a show questions which might come for this year, as per few expert teachers. So this is the questions which you guys have to do, and make sure this is with pencil, everything with pencil. Next, this is the solenoid diagram, which is really important, which will surely come for every papers. Now the 1% law and the 10% law. The 1% law and the 10% law will also come, because the our environment chapter is 5 marks, so it will come for like 3 marks in descriptive and 2 marks for MCQs, or 1 mark for MCQs. Now starting with section B, section D, the important diagrams. These are all of them are important. Now he did a really nice way, and while writing section A, section B, and section D, I mean not section A, section B, section C, this parts, the sub questions, make sure you make sure you leave a space where it looks neat. Yeah, make sure you leave a space after each question you attempt so that there is enough space. Next, he did it nice, amazing, amazing, amazing. Now the differentiation box between roasting and calcination, make sure you give example as well, but if you don't know the example, just leave it, because if you purposely give any equation, even though this whole part is correct, even if you write all of this correct, because of this one single silly equation, the whole answer will get wrong. So don't give any equation, only give it if the question's asked. Next, the xy, this question he did it in the diagram, amazing. And then we are having the section D, section E, last part. This is the physics, and that's it. So it's pretty amazing paper actually. So this is a toppers paper which you guys can refer as well in the official CBSE website, but as we have already discussed it right now, so I don't think so there's no need of discussing it again. I mean for you to look at it again. So yeah, hope you guys hopefully you guys understood, and make sure you subscribe my channel, and thank you.